Hi, Anastasia here. Here is my recent income made on Impact, one of the affiliate networks that I will talk about today. Nice numbers, right? I like them too. So over the past 7 years, I've been diving deep into affiliate marketing, driving traffic to affiliate offers through my blog, Pinterest, and this YouTube channel. And in this video, I will share with you my top 7 affiliate networks that I worked with personally and that can help you make money online. You can work with individual affiliate programs from different brands, but I find that joining large affiliate networks like this in this video is better because you will have all your links under one roof. One login and password instead of hundreds. Your commissions will accumulate from all the brands that you're promoting and you will get paid from one company. Makes it easier for accounting and for you to keep track of your best performing affiliate products. So starting with number 7, let's talk about Commission Junction. This is one of the oldest affiliate networks and it's perfect if you're looking for a variety or if you're not sure about your niche yet. With thousands of merchants, you can promote everything from travel to tech. The platform's interface is a bit dated, honestly, but the brands make up for it. Think of huge brands like Nike or Wayfair. The next platform that you should join is called ShareASale. This network is a favorite for beginners because it is easier to get accepted to this one. Here you will get access to over 30,000 merchants from a lot of different niches. Whether you're into niches like clothing, accessories, food and drinks, computers and electronics, or home decor, you will find something that fits your audience. And the commissions here, they range from 1% to 20% or even higher. Well, they're generally higher than what you'll find on Amazon Associates, for example, in the same categories. It's a solid starting point if you're just getting into affiliate marketing. The next one is Impact. This is the one that you've seen in the start of this video with my recent income on it. This affiliate network has a larger variety of products. You will find here many software companies, by the way, and I noticed that many brands have migrated to Impact in the past few years from their private affiliate networks to this huge marketplace. For example, Bluehost, Teachable, and Shopify are working with affiliates through Impact. You can see here that I actually have joined many affiliate programs through this platform. And probably you noticed that I have mostly software companies here. Well, that's because of my niche, but no matter what niche is yours, you should also join Impact because you will see a ton of huge brands across so many categories. Anything like baby toys, garden products, organic products, pets and sports, and anything else that you can think of, really. See here, you can go into a particular category and filter the products by sale payout to see which programs pay best and try to apply here as well. The only thing that I need to mention here is that it might be a little harder to get accepted to Impact if you have a brand new website, but as you grow your blog and your social media following, you can get accepted here as well. And if it's your case and your website is brand new, you should look at the next affiliate network on my list. The next one is Amazon Associates. And let's be real, everyone knows Amazon, right? It's one of the easiest programs to join and you can promote just about anything. Amazon is unfortunately known for suddenly dropping their affiliate commissions and for changing rules all the time. But the benefit again is that it's very easy to get accepted to Amazon Associates program and it's the biggest marketplace that people already trust to buy from. Their cookie system is quite unique compared to other networks. If someone clicks on your link, you get credit for anything that they buy within 24 hours, even if it's not the product that you linked to originally. The downside, however, is that in just 24 hours, this cookie window expires, and so if someone visited your site once and they didn't buy right away, you will hardly make any money from that visitor. So it's always important not to just lose the traffic that you attracted to your website. You want to have a way to contact the same audience again to maximize your commissions. To do this, you need to focus on email marketing. And if your blog is on WordPress like mine, I'm happy to share my experience with WP Forms, who kindly sponsored this part of the video. It's the best plugin for building email forms that I have used so far. They recently added this game-changer feature called AI Choices. It uses artificial intelligence to quickly generate drop-down and radio buttons options, saving me so much time when setting up forms. WP Forms have a free version called Lite, and you can install it from a WordPress.org plugin directory, like more than 6 million users already did. I'm sure that you will love the free version, and if you decide to upgrade, use the first link in the description below. There are many extra features that you will get access to on the paid plans, but I want to mention something really important, that integrations with lots of email marketing providers, including MailerLite, Kit and others, are available starting from the Plus plan. But given the amount of potential income your email list can add to your online business, these annual fees are a no-brainer. The plugin is totally worth it. Now, moving to the next affiliate network, which is Reward Style, or LTK. So let me tell you about it. It used to be called Reward Style, don't get confused here. And here you can make money promoting products from big brands in fashion, beauty and home decor. It was actually started by a fashion blogger in 2011, so building this network, she totally understood the needs of influencers in these niches. One of the coolest parts is that you get your own personalized storefront where you can showcase your favorite products. It's super easy for your followers to shop directly from your recommendations, and it makes promoting multiple items a breeze. LTK works with over 7,000 retailers, so you will always find something great to feature. Plus, the commissions can be pretty good. It depends on the brand and on the product, of course, but the potential is definitely there. To join, you will need to apply, and they will look at things like your content quality, your audience engagement, and whether your vibe fits with their focus. Once you're in, you will get access to tools to create shoppable content, track your performance, and even collaborate with brands directly. I've seen a ton of blogs in fashion and home decor niches that focus on LTK even more than they do on Amazon Associates program, and they make thousands of dollars through this network every month. Pinterest is the best traffic source for bloggers in these niches like fashion and home decor, so you will easily find lots of bloggers who already drive a ton of traffic from this platform to their LTK profiles. They create pins that look like collages of different products, and they link them to their LTK posts. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing on Pinterest, I have a popular video on this topic, which I will link for you in the info icon up there and also in the description below, so that you can watch it later. The only downside of LTK is that you have to use it in two interfaces, on desktop and in their mobile app. So you cannot just do everything on desktop. If you want to make posts on LTK, you will have to log in on the mobile app and search for the products that you want to link to from your posts. You know, jumping between two devices is not very user-friendly in my opinion. The next network is called ClickBank, and this is where digital products take center stage. From ebooks to online courses, this network is a gold mine for everyone in the info product space. ClickBank has been around since 1998, and they're known for offering high commissions anywhere from 40 to somewhere like 80%. These commissions are only possible because of the digital nature of these products. Someone created it once and they can now sell it as many copies as they want without any additional expenses. So they can afford paying up to 80% to their affiliates. If you're good at promoting things like weight loss guides or personal development courses, this platform could be your jackpot. Now, the next platform is called PartnerStack, and if you look at their marketplace, you will see that they have mostly software companies here. If this is your niche, you definitely will need to join PartnerStack. Most of these products will offer recurring commissions, meaning that you will get paid every month for each client who sign up through your link just once. If someone pays for the software, say, for 5 years, you will get paid for 5 years. Not all the software offers actually lifetime commissions. Some will offer commissions for only, say, 12 to 24 months, but it is still a recurring commission. Another great thing that you'll see here, commissions are as high as 20 to 30%. And business software products can often cost hundreds per month, so your earnings potential is great here, but it is not an easy niche to compete in. Anyway, you can apply to any of these programs in one place, and then you will get paid by PartnerStack either to your PayPal, bank account, or your Stripe account for any commissions that you earned from all these affiliate products that you promoted. Now you know which affiliate networks to join. The next problem you need to solve is getting leads to these offers, right? Personally, I love Pinterest for generating free traffic to my website. If you want to learn how I drive over 80,000 monthly sessions to my blog, check the video linked up there, and I'll see you in the next video.